Hello. And welcome to my video. Let's talk about
Affiliate sites online to boost business. Affiliate sites online to boost business. In order to gain credibility on the internet, you really need to put your name out there and start racking up customer reviews, traces of yourself online, and proof of your success. Something that encompasses all of these things is doing affiliate site marketing to make a little extra cash via online tools and programs. Even if you are just starting out online, you can definitely still make the extra money that you need, but you just have to learn how and find out the ways to do it by gaining experience. The thing to do is to seek out online help systems and different tools and websites that will help you to learn about the internet and gain experience with marketing different sites and products. This system will teach you how to set the right goals for yourself so that you know you can reach those goals and you will not get discouraged within the first few tries at doing online marketing. You can start making money online right now if you just go look into these types of programs that assist you and are basically a handheld step-by-step program right at the tips of your fingers. Pro2 teaches you about cyber malls and all the products that you can ever imagine selling because the creators are experienced and understand what customers are looking for on the internet and can therefore help you along. The ClickBank Mall has a massive variety of products and is really user accessible if you are looking for an amazing and prestigious affiliate site to start out your work with in order to be familiarized with the whole experience and situation. When you work with the ClickBank and Pro2 system, you can display all the products that you choose to market because you know about them, and you can gain experience in ways that you know how, so that you can learn about how to work the internet and start getting checks in your pockets from affiliate sites. If you do really well, you will be more than pleased with the extra money you are making, and you will know that taking some time right now to research the Pro2 system was a really great choice in your favor that really made a big difference in the way you were able to succeed online. Get started right now in order to make all the money you want in addition to your salary, either online as a website owner or in the real world as a career man or woman. We all know that you are capable of doing whatever you want, but sometimes you definitely need a little push in the right direction so that you can be extremely successful.
Please click the link in description for more information. Bye.